The 2025 Audi Q7 continues to represent Audi's mastery of luxury SUVs, offering a blend of elegant design, powerful performance, and top-tier technology. Starting with the exterior, the Q7 features Audi's signature single-frame grille, redesigned matrix LED headlights, and a sharper, sportier bumper layout. The side profile is highlighted by sleek aluminium trim and large 20-to-22-inch alloy wheels, while the rear showcases dynamic LED tail lights and a power liftgate. The body design reflects a bold yet refined presence with a length of around 5 meters, giving it a dominating road stance. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi Q7 is available with two main engine options. The first is a 2.0-litre turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing around 265 horsepower, and the second is a 3.0-litre V6 mild hybrid turbo engine delivering up to 340 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour takes about 6.1 seconds for the V6 variant, while fuel economy stands at approximately 9 to 11 km/L depending on driving conditions. Inside the cabin, the Q7 is a luxury lounge on wheels. The interior features high-quality materials including leather upholstery, brushed aluminium, and genuine wood trim. The dashboard is dominated by Audi's dual touchscreen setup, a 10.1-inch upper infotainment screen and an 8.6-inch lower climate control screen, both offering haptic feedback. The Audi Virtual Cockpit, a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display, provides navigation, speed, and media data in crisp detail. The Q7 comfortably seats 7 passengers across 3 rows, with ample legroom and a panoramic sunroof enhancing the sense of space. The third row can be folded flat to increase cargo space, making it practical for families. In terms of features, the Q7 is packed with cutting-edge tech such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, ambient lighting with multiple color options, and 4-zone automatic climate control. Safety is also a priority, with standard features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, and park assist. Optional features include night vision assist and head-up display. The suspension system includes adaptive air suspension, which can be adjusted for comfort or sportiness, and enhances ground clearance when needed. Drive select modes allow the driver to switch between comfort, dynamic, auto, off-road, and individual driving modes, adjusting engine response, suspension, and steering accordingly. The price of the 2025 Audi Q7 varies by variant and optional packages. The base variant with the 2.0-litre engine is priced around $60,000, while the higher V6 variants with more features and packages can go up to $80,000 to $85,000. Customization options, trim levels, and tech add-ons can further influence the final price. In some markets, local taxes and import duties may raise the price considerably. Overall, the 2025 Audi Q7 stands out in the full-size luxury SUV segment with its premium design, powerful yet efficient engines, and a long list of features that ensure a refined and safe driving experience. Whether you're looking for family comfort or a business class experience on wheels, the Q7 delivers on all fronts.